classes about trigonometric equation. Trigonometric equation studied in mathematics subject in 11th grade high school mathematics. The trigonometry that we will discuss first is for the question sin x equals sin alpha. So in essence here we will determine the size. The first relation was the formula was x equals alpha plus q minus 360 derajat. Then the second formulation was x equals 180 minus alpha plus q 8 kali 360 derajat. Well, here is multi-yes, so it's multiplies. Now this is two formulations for enter the example problem. Here we are for example except to determine the sort of solution of the equation sin x equals half for 0 derajat kurang dari x kurang dari 360 derajat. So in actions we will determine the angle of x so that he satisfies the equation sin x equals half with a note of the axle x which must be in the right 0 derajat to 360 derajat. Will beyond that he doesn't meet. Okay, let's go into the question. So we'll finish writing in down first. The problem is that sin x equals, then we from the question sin x equals sin a, so sin x equals half this we will be the sum is sin x equals will have remember that half is the value of sin 30 derajat, so we can for it so sin x equals sin 30 derajat, so that the neck length is equal to 30 derajat and sin x equals sin a, sin x equals sin 30 derajat means there is no 30 derajat. After we get our new alpha, enter the Fish complex. What is formula for x equals a plus q kali 360 derajat? So we just input it minus that x equals a equals 30 derajat plus q kali 360 derajat. How to determine the exponent? How do we explain in for q equals 0 if q is equals 0 minus that equals 30 derajat plus that if we reference 0 it means 0 is multiplied by 360 derajat. The result will be equals x equals 30 derajat equals 30 derajat. We see that the problem is for 0 degrees to 160 degrees and we get a x equals 30 degrees meaning x equals 30 degrees fulfills the set of solution. It is cleaner because it is in the range 0 minus 360 and 60. So then we therefore k equals 1. We get it minus that x equals 30 degrees plus the k we take 1 multiplied by 360 derajat. The relation will be equal to 30 derajat plus 1 kali 360 derajat minus with we get x, it is equal to 30 is equal to 360. See, the problem is 390 derajat is not at a vulnerability until 0 minus 360 minus the that x equals 390 degrees. This is not a set of solution. No, because it is not a set of solution. It means we can enter into a solution with the two formulas. X equals 180 degrees equals alpha plus k kali 360 derajat. Here we have alpha equals 30 derajat minus we can enter x equals 180 minus the alpha of 30 degrees plus k 360 degrees 2 plus the k we reference 0 times 360 minus we get here the form of x is equal to 150. No, because 150 is it is completely of 0 minus 300. It means that x is equal to 150. This is the set of solution. Then we can listen for k which is equals to a minus that is equals to 100 plus mol. The relation equals 150 derajat plus 319 derajat. Yes, minus x is equals to 510. No, because 5 and 10 is not it. The Greek 0 minus 360 minus x equals 510 derajat. This is not a set of solution. Now we enter the second equation, namely for the equation cos x equals a. Here the solution also has the first two formulas, namely x equals a plus k kali 360 derajat. Then the second formula is x equals minus a plus k dikali 360. Okay, the difference is the same. The second sign formula here is negative a. Yes, if the formula on 1 is 180 minus a. Okay, let's just go to the example. The problem here is that we are asked to determine the set of solution of the equation cos x equals half root 2 for 0 derajat x 360 derajat means that we will determine the angle of x so that the finds the equation cos x equals half root 2 in the form of the solution. We return price because cos x equals half root 2. We form into the equation cos x equals cos A. If cos equals cos was form is half root 2 is cos 45 derajat. If you have obtained alpha, just enter the price formula. The price formula is A equals A plus Q kali 360 derajat minus that we can X equals A 45 plus Q kali 300. Okay, then we turn to K equals 0 minus we get equals 45 derajat plus 0 times 360 derajat. The rest is x equals 45 because 45 derajat is the range 0 minus 360 according to the equation minus he proves yes. Then we enter Q equals 1 minus x equals 45 derajat plus 360 derajat x equals 405 degrees 405 degrees. The is not the right 0 minus 360 degrees minus that we enter the second formula, namely x equals negative A plus Q kali 360 degrees minus that we degrees so that we get x equals negative A 45 minus negative 45 degrees plus Q kali 360 derajat we 3 for Q equals 0 minus we get x equals minus 45 equals plus 0 kali 360 derajat minus means x is the sum A minus 45 because 45 is not the in the right 0 minus 360 minus means he does not meet. We treat to K equals 1 minus x equals minus 45 plus 1 kali 360 derajat minus x equals 350. Will we see 350 is the right 0 minus 360 means half was the equation, so the set of solution that satisfies only 45 derajat and 350. Okay. For the third equation 10x equals 10a, he solved only one formula, namely x equals a plus q kali 180 derajat. We go start to the example. For example, here we are asked to determine the set of solution for the equation of the root 3 10 x equals 1 for 0 derajat kurang dari x kurang dari 160 derajat. So we go ahead with the root 3, then x equals 1 minus we get then 10 x equals 1 for root 3. Okay, can we 10 x equals 10 a 10 was follows. Fall is 1 minus 3, which is 10 30 degrees, so that a 30 degrees. Then we enter the expansion formula, namely x equals a plus q kali 180 derajat, x equals 30 derajat plus q dikali 180 derajat for q equals 0 equals 30 0 plus 0 plus kali 180 plus equals 30, because 30 derajat is in the right 0 to 360 degrees, so it satisfies. Then we therefore a equals 1, we get a x equals 30 derajat plus 1 kali 180 derajat equals x equals 30 derajat plus 180 derajat. We get x equals 210. We see 210. This is in the right 0 to 260, so helpless. Then for q equals 2, where x equals 3 derajat plus 2 kali 180 derajat x minus 30 derajat plus 360 derajat. Yes, so we get the x equals 319. No, because he is not in the grade 0 minus 360, so he does feel it. So the stand minus are only 30 derajat and 210 derajat.